Hello students, good morning. Now in this video we are going to study the nomenclature of alcohol, phenol and ether. विद्यार्थ्यांनो, आपण मागच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये अल्कोहोल अँड फिनॉल याचे कॉमन नेम्स आणि आयुपीएससी नेम याचा स्टडी केलाय. त्याचे रूल्स सुद्धा स्टडी केलेले आहेत आणि काही कॉमन नेम आणि आयुपीएससी नेम अल्कोहोलचे आणि फिनॉलचे आणि नंतर मग इथरचे हे आपण या व्हिडिओमध्ये शिकणार आहोत. ओके, तर या ठिकाणी काही ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाऊंड्स अल्कोहोलचे काही कंपाऊंड्स दिलेले आहेत. आपण बघूयात त्याचे कॉमन नेम आणि आयुपीएससी नेम. ओके, सो फर्स्ट दिस कंपाऊंड हियर द कॉमन नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाऊंड. फर्स्ट वी कन्सिडर कॉमन नेम and then we consider the then IUPAC name. Okay, so here first CH3 CH CH CH3 CH2 CH, this OH and this is the CH3. Okay, now in this molecule here the chain straight chain is CH3 CH2 CH, but OH is attached to that CH and then the continued change to the again CH3 means here the continued change for 1, 2, 3 and 4. So common name is here OH bonded to this carbon and this is the secondary carbon atom. And as it is secondary carbon atom, its common name is secondary butyl alcohol. Secondary butyl alcohol. Then next one here the total number of carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4 means butyl. But this group is present and this group is called as iso group and therefore prefix iso is used. So iso 1, 2, 3, 4. So isobutyl alcohol. Isobutyl alcohol. Next one here CH3 CH CH2. Okay, so this is called as propylene glycol. Common name propylene glycol. Then here this C and CH3 group are present and therefore this is called as a neo. So prefix neo is used and total number of carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For 6 the alkyl group is that is hexyl and then alcohol. So the name is neohexyl alcohol. Okay, next one CH3 CH2 C, then CH2 CH3. Here this carbon atom contain OH and this is a tertiary carbon atom. Therefore tertiary prefix tertiary is used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this is 6 and therefore its name is tertiary hexyl alcohol. Okay, then IUPAC name of the same compound. So here CH3 CH2 CH CH3 CH, the longest chain is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the lowest local number 1, 2. So the at the 2 carbon atom there is OH and therefore its name is butane. E is replaced by OL and that is at the 2 position, so its name is butane 2 ol. Then 1, 2, 3. But this is the CH3, it is the substituent. So 1, 2 at the 2 means this is 1, 2, 3. Longest chain is for 3 carbon and here at the 1 carbon OL and at 2 carbon that is methyl. So this is 2 methyl that is propane 1 ol. 2 methyl propane 1 ol. Next one that is 1, 2, 3. Numbering 1, 2, 3. So 1 and 2 contain 2 OH group. So this is alkane for 3 that is propane. Okay, 1, 2 and this is diol. Propane 2 diol. Next one 1, 2, 3, 4. Numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the third position, third carbon, 2 methyl groups are present and therefore here 2 third T3 dimethyl 3 dimethyl. Then for 4 carbon atom longest chain that is butane and 1 Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Longest chain is for 5 carbon atom. Then numbering 1, 2, 3, and from this 1, 2, 3. Okay, local number is 3. Here 3. 3 methyl and 3 OH. So its name is 3 methyl. 3 methyl. Then for 5 carbon atom, that is pentane and 3 ol. So the name is 3 methyl pentane 3 ol. Okay. Next, after that, here some only IUPAC name of this alcohol. Only IUPAC name. So here CH3 CH double bond CH CH2OH. Okay. Its common name, that is crotonol or crotonyl alcohol. Crotonyl alcohol. But its IUPAC name. Now here double bond is there. So the parent hydrocarbon is alkene. Okay. So here the numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the for 4 carbon atom there is butane. So here ene. So but 2 and OL at the 1. So but for 4 carbon atom but. At 2 double bond, at 2 carbon atom there is a double bond, the 2 and 1 OH and therefore 1 ol. So but 2 1 ol. Then CH3 double bond CH CH2, here CH3 and here OH. If such type of atom OH is present. Okay. So here in this compound the name is 1. So here CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Longest chain is for 5 carbon atom. Then numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So here for and at the 4 carbon atom there is a methyl group. So here 4 methyl, then 5 pentane. So the paint. Okay. Then paint 3 at the 3 carbon atom there is a double bond. So paint 3 and then 2 ol. So the name is 4 methyl paint 3 2 ol. Okay. Then next here CH3 CH, here OH, CH triple bond, C triple bond, CH, CH3, C, okay. Here CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. Okay. So give the IUPAC name of this compound. The local number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Then here 7 at the 6 carbon atom there is a methyl group. So 6 methyl. Okay. Then for 7 that is heptane. So hep, then triple bond is at 3. So hep 3 YNE. Hep 3 and then here 2 ol. So the name is 6 methyl hep 3 YNE 2 ol. Okay. So after this alcohol, then the IUPAC name of phenol. Here you know that phenol, it is just like a derivative, hydroxy derivative of benzene, and therefore it is a benzenol. Okay. But according to IUPAC name, the phenol is accepted as it is. So here it is a phenol. So if it is OH and then here OH and OH, its common name is fluoroglucinol, but its pyrogalol, but its IUPAC name, that is 1, 2, 3. So here 1, 2, 3. Here benzene, derivative of benzene, so benzene 1, 2, 3, triol. Okay. Next here benzene, then OH, then CH3, and then NO2. If such type of compound is there, then this is called as a cresol, or this is a toluene, this is a phenol. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 4-nitro. No, alphabetically methyl. 2-methyl. Then 4-nitro. 4-nitrophenol. Or it is also called as 2-methyl 4-nitro, that is 1 benzene 1-ol. Benzene 1-ol. Or it is called as phenol. Or it is phenol. Okay. So then next, that is a IUPAC, common name and IUPAC name of ether. So you know that ether, it is the alkoxy derivative of alkane, and according to IUPAC system, here it is called as the alkoxy alkane. Smaller group is considered as a alkoxy, whereas larger group is considered as a alkene. Okay. Then if it is cyclic compound, then cyclo is used before the name, that is called as a prefixes. Cyclo prefixes is used, and if the cyclo is smaller and the longest chain is bigger, then cyclo is used as a, again, prefixes, that is it is used as a alkyl group. Okay. So we consider some examples of ether. Common name and IUPAC name. CH3OCH3, then CH3OC2H5, then C2H5OC2H5, again CH3OCHCH3, here CH3OCCH3CH3, then C2H5OCHCH3. Okay. Then here OCH3, and then here CH3CH3. These are the some ethers. Then the rule for common name and IUPAC name. Ethers are commonly called as dialkyl ether if it is a simple ether, and if it is a mixed ether, then arrange these two alkyl group, arrange them alphabetically followed by the word ether. Means in case of simple ether, it is simply called as dialkyl ether. But in case of the mixed ether, there are the two different alkyl groups are there. And if the two different alkyl groups are there, then arrange them alphabetically followed by the word ether. Okay, this is the common name. And then rule for IUPAC name, it is called as the alkoxy alkane. Smaller group is taken as alkoxy, whereas larger group is taken as alkane, and give the smallest locant number. Okay, so that is the alkoxy alkane. So this is nomenclature of ether. Okay, here this is common name. First name, that is common name, and then IUPAC name. IUPAC name. So here first, here this is 2-methyl is there. So this is called as a dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Next one, here two different groups are there. Okay. So here methyl and ethyl. Arrange them alphabetically. So here ethyl, then methyl, ether. Ethyl, methyl, ether. Okay. Next one, here 2 ethyl are there. So it is 2 ethyl means diethyl and ether. Diethyl, ether. Next one here methyl, and this is isopropyl, or it is called as secondary propyl. Okay. So here methyl isopropyl ether. Methyl isopropyl ether. Next one, that is methyl, and this is a tertiary butyl. Methyl tertiary butyl. So here methyl, butyl B is before M, and therefore this is tertiary butyl. Then methyl ether. Tertiary butyl, methyl ether. Next one, here ethyl and isopropyl. So here ethyl isopropyl ether. Ethyl isopropyl ether. And now this is a cyclobutane, and this is methyl group. And here there are the two methyl groups. So here common name. If it is to give the common for this compound, it is impossible to give the common name. Okay, and hence only IUPAC name is given for this compound. So here dash. Now here IUPAC name considered as a alkoxy alkane. Smaller group is considered as alkoxy and larger group is considered as a alkane. But if there are the two similar group, then one is considered as alkoxy and whereas another is considered as a alkene. Okay. So here this is 2-methyl and therefore this is called as methoxy. Methoxy-methyl. Okay. Then this is smaller group is methoxy again. Methoxy-ethane. Okay. Then these are the two ethyl groups, so they are called as ethoxyethane. Ethoxyethane. Now here methoxy group present on the second number of carbon atom. So here 2-methoxypropane. Okay, means alkoxy group, it is present at the 2 number of carbon atom, and therefore this is called as methoxy. 2-methoxypropane. Okay. Then here methoxy. Here longest chain is for 3 carbon atom. At the 2 carbon atom there is a methoxy group, and at 2 carbon atom there is a methyl. Okay. So here this is called as 2-methoxy. 2-methoxy. 2-methyl. 2-methyl propane. 2-methoxy, 2-methyl propane. Next one ethoxy, and it is present at the 2 carbon atom, and this is for 3 carbon means propane. So here ethoxy means 2-ethoxy propane. 2-ethoxy-propane. And now for this carbon atoms, here 1, 2, 3 and 4 means it is a butane, cyclobutane. So at the 1 there are the 2 methyl. So here 1,1 dimethyl. 1,1 dimethyl, and then 2-methoxy. 2-methoxy cyclobutane. 2-methoxy cyclobutane, or it is also called as 2-methoxy. Then here in this way 2-methoxy, then 2 here methoxy 1,1 dimethyl cyclobutane. Okay. Then after that means after watching this, you have to attempt some questions and problem on page number 238. That is, draw structure of the following compounds, that is 2,5-diethylphenol, prop 2-in-1-ol, 2-methoxypropane and phenyl methanol. Okay, so watch on 238 page number, that is problem number 11.1. Then try this, write IUPAC name of the following, that is there are the two on the page number 238 there is a another exercise, that is try this and you have to do these 4 compounds. Okay, and instead of that write structure and give IUPAC name of the following compounds including alcohol, phenol and ether. Okay, here first draw structure and give IUPAC name of the following. Okay, A, tertiary butyl isopropyl ether. B, ethyl and propyl ether. Tertiary pentyl alcohol. B, pyrogalon. E, resorcinol. Okay, draw the structures and give IUPAC name. This is the first question. Then second question, give IUPAC name. Give IUPAC name of following. 1, CH3CCH3 HO. B, C2H5O. CH3 and C, phenol OH, then C2H5, C2H5.